song, but we're gonna ask everyone. It's just a request, you know, that can you switch on your cell phones? Like just I don't know the guy who's dealing with the lights. Can you keep the lights, please? Maybe the spotlights. These two spotlights, if it's possible.
We just
Yeah, we wanna create a feeling for the song that's about to come. You love the song. Some of you keep playing it over and over again. It's got a Zulu verse and English chorus. You know what song I'm talking about? Okay, we're gonna play this song. But right now we're gonna ask every one of you to switch on your cell phones, please. That table over there is there. That's somebody actually on that table. Yes. At least if I can get 3 lights from the table, it's still fine. Even at the back. Oh wow, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. We are on TikTok right now. It looks amazing. We're gonna do this.